Hey everyone, welcome back to biology class. This is Neha Chauhan, your biology teacher. So classes, we were studying this chapter about cell, and we are studying about cells for so many days. So for today I've decided that we are not going to study, rather we are going to play a game. Yes, we are going to play a game, the cell game I call it. So for that you have to act like you are sitting in a real class, and I have a ball full of riddles. So I'll be asking you riddles, and you have to say the answer loudly, and you also have to score it. For every correct answer you will be giving yourself 1 mark, and after completion of the game you have to you can post your marks in the comment section along with your name, roll number and section. So after I say out the riddle, you can pause the video and take your time to think, otherwise you will be hearing the answer and there will be no fun in that, right? So, and do not watch this video if you haven't revised your concepts. So go back. If you haven't revised, then pause the video right now only. Go back, revise your concepts, study about the main scientists involved in the discovery of the cell, about the main organelles, how do they look like, about their function. That's all what is required to answer these riddles, right? And there's only one rule, no cheating. Okay, so have we start the game? Here comes the first riddle. Okay, it says, everything I touch I destroy. What's this? Who's this? Okay, can you guess? Okay, one more hint. It's in Hindi also you can say that ये फट गया तो समझो सेल गया. Oh, who's this guy? Can you guess? Yes, it is lysosome. We have studied about lysosome that it contains powerful hydrolytic enzymes, and once its membrane breaks down, the enzymes will come out and digest the whole cell. Okay, this happens if there is some major injury in the cell. So the answer of the riddle is lysosome, right? So we move on to the next riddle. So the next one is here. It says, oh, that's not a riddle. What's the energy currency of the cell? Okay, can you tell? This is very easy. We studied this in mitochondria. The energy currency of the cell is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. If we break this down, we get energy. Okay, this is actually the storage form of energy, right? So this was very easy. So the next one is, okay, I am rigid, I am tough. Getting through me is rough. Put me in a pressure test. Trust me, I won't let you burst. Who am I? Okay, pause the video, take your time to think. Who is this guy? It is rigid and tough, and it is saying that it won't let you burst. And one hint for this I'm giving you, that it is present only in the plant cells. You remember when we placed we discussed the condition when we placed a cell in a hypotonic solution, and we discussed that when a cell is placed in hypotonic solution, water will move inside the cell and cell may burst. But the plant cell does not burst because of this guy. Who is this? Can you guess? Yes, the answer is cell wall. Okay, the next one. It says that, okay, I have been called the storage tank by those with little taste. I am a sack filled with water, food, enzymes and waste. Okay, who is this? A storage tank inside the cell, and it is saying that it is filled with water, food, enzymes and waste. Do you remember that about the storage tank we studied yesterday? So can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is vacuole, right? Okay. If your answer is right, give yourself 1 mark for this. Okay, the next is, I don't have a nuclear membrane, and they call me primitive because lying naked in the cytoplasm is my genetic material. Okay, it is saying that I am primitive and I don't have a nuclear membrane. Can you guess? You remember we divided the cells into 2 types, one prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and out of these One did not have a nuclear membrane, one does not have a nuclear membrane. Who is it? It is primitive. It is, answer is prokaryotic cell. Pro itself means primitive. It is primitive type of cell in which there is no nucleus. Actually there is genetic material, but it is not bound by a nuclear membrane. Okay, so the genetic material lies naked in the cytoplasm. So the answer is a prokaryotic cell, right? So we move on to the next one. It says that you don't know my name, but making proteins is my game. Who is this guy? Who is making proteins in the cell? Can you guess the protein factories of the cell? Name the protein factories of the cell. Answer is ribosomes. Right. The answer is ribosomes. And even if you say rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is also correct, but the more accurate will be if you say ribosome, right? So the next one. Okay. Sea of lipid and iceberg of proteins. I control what gets out and what get in. Like guards on the border, I won't let you pass without order. Okay, this is talking about border, made up of lipid and proteins, and it is something which controls whatever is getting in and out of the cell. Can you guess? Yes, the answer is plasma membrane or the cell membrane. It is a selectively permeable membrane. It does not allow all the materials to go in or out of the cell. Rather, it allows only the selected material to go in and out of the cell according to the need, right? So the answer is plasma membrane, and also it is made up of mostly of lipids with little amount with the little bit of proteins here and there, right? Now comes the next one. I know my job well. Modification and packaging proteins and lipids needed throughout the cell. So this is something, this is someone who is doing the modification and packaging work for us. It is packaging and modifying proteins and lipids coming from ER, if you remember. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Can you guess? What is the modification center in the cell? It is, yes, it is Golgi bodies. Yes, correct. Now we move on to the next one. Okay, this is a long one. Okay, this is a story of 1665 when there were no microscopes. There lived a man who loved science. One day he saw something with his eyes, like bricks joined to make a well. He named those compartments as cell. Okay, there was this man who discovered cell. Who is this guy? Can you guess? It is a story of 1665 when there were no microscopes. Okay, the answer is Robert Hooke. Now the next one. Okay, it says, since I contain many enzymes, I can digest an injured cell and can break down waste into other things as well. Okay, this is saying that I contain many enzymes, and if a cell gets injured, I will digest the whole cell, and if I break down waste also. Okay, who is this? Can you guess? This is lysosomes, the inert bomb of the cell. Lysosomes. It is because it is the suicidal bag. If there is some major injury, then it will burst open, spread its enzyme and eat up the whole cell. That's called suicide. So that is why lysosomes, the suicidal bags, and other thing, it breaks down the waste. Yes, we discussed that these lysosomes are actually the cellular housekeepers. If one organelle is not working properly, then it digests it, and also if a foreign matter like food or bacteria comes inside the cell, it is going to digest it, right? So this was it. Next is I am no more connected to my inner self. Who is this? Who is saying this? I am no more connected to my inner self. This one's difficult. Okay, can you think? Okay, for this you can just pause the video and scroll through all the diagrams which I've given you till now, and you may get the answer with this. Can you guess? Okay, the answer is the plasmolysed cell. In the plasmolysed cell, the outer cell wall is intact, while the inner protoplant, it retracts itself and gets away from the cell wall. So that is why the plasmolysed cell is saying that I am no more connected to my inner self. Understood? So this was difficult one. Okay, next one. I am found only in plant cells. Oh, I am as green as can be. I make food for the plant using the sun's energy. Okay, who is this? It is present only in the plant cells and it is green in color and also it makes food. Who is this guy? Yes, the answer is chloroplast. Everybody knows it. Okay. The next riddle. Very easy. I am a real powerhouse. That's plain to see. I break down food and release energy. Who is this powerhouse who is breaking down food into energy and giving us ATP? Yes, the answer is mitochondria. Yes. Next one. Okay, this is also easy. I am the brain of the cell. Or so they say. I regulate activities from day to day. Very easy. The answer is nucleus. You could tell this from the first line only. I am the brain of the cell. Very easy. Okay, the next riddle. I may be colored or colorless. I have a DNA but I am not a nucleus. Okay, so use your brains. Tell me the answer. I may be colored or colorless. Which organelle is colored? Or it can be colorless also. And it has a DNA but it is not a nucleus. Yes, the answer is plastids. Plastids are of two types, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplasts are white or colorless. That is why it is saying that I may be colored or colorless. If it is chromoplast, then it is colored. And it has a DNA. Yes, it has a DNA but it is not a nucleus. Okay, so the answer is chloroplast. Oh, sorry, plastids. Okay. The next riddle. I am the fluid in the cell that fills in the space. My main purpose is to hold the organelles in place. Who is this guy? It is saying that I am fluid and I hold the organelles in place. The fluid content of the cell. The answer is cytoplasm. Yes, you're right, cytoplasm. This was also easy. The next one. I am where you are. I am the basic unit. Without me, life is lame. Tell me quickly my name. Okay, this is very, very, very simple. Okay, the answer is this is a basic unit and without it, life is not possible. What's the answer? Yes, the answer is cell, the name of the chapter. Okay, next one. I can see what you cannot. Just magnify, magnify is my job. So who is doing this magnification job for us? Tell me, who is this? Can you guess? The answer is, who is doing this magnification job for us? Yes, the microscope. Microscope is magnifying the small cells which we can't see with our naked eyes. So magnify, magnify is my job. Who is this? Answer is microscope. Now the next one. Okay, this is not actually a riddle. It says I discovered nucleus. Who am I? Who am I? I discovered nucleus. Is it Robert Hooke? No. So is it Robert Brown? Yes, you're correct, Robert Brown. Now last one, last but not the least. Okay, so it says what I do is based on my mood. There are two types of me, rough and smooth. Who am I? One organelle which is of two types, rough and smooth, and it performs its function according to it. If it is rough, it is doing something else, and if it is smooth, it is doing something else. Yes, the answer is endoplasmic reticulum. If it is smooth, it is synthesizing proteins, and if it is rough, it is synthesizing proteins, and if it is smooth, then it is synthesizing lipids. So this was the last riddle. Now calculate your marks and post your marks in the comment section along with your name, class, section and roll number. So this was our game and I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it for today. Thank you.